Hello guys, in today's video, we're going to learn how to use the Dobiko Task app to limit app usage. This app is safe, fast, secure, and works completely offline, so you don't need an internet connection. Let's get started. Now go to Tools and select App Guard. Tap Next until you reach the permission settings. Tap Usage Access, then select Go to Settings. From the app list, find Dobiko Task and enable the permission. Next tap Auto Blocker. Choose Go to Settings. Select Dobiko Task and allow the permission. Now go back and enable the accessibility permission. Tap Go to Settings. Open downloaded apps, select Dobiko Task, and turn it on. Then allow the permission. Once you've completed all the permissions, go back to the app. You'll now see a list of all the installed apps on your phone. Select the app that your child spends too much time using for this demonstration. I'm selecting the clock app for sample. Now, I'll set the usage limit to 1 minute and tap Save Limit. Let's see what happens. Once the selected app has been used for 1 minute, a lock screen will automatically appear. The user will only see an option to close the app. Please wait. If they tap Close, the app will immediately exit, even if they try to open the app again. The same lock screen will appear, preventing them from using it. If you want to remove the restriction, simply open Dobiko Task. Tap the blocked app at the top and remove the limit. Once it's removed, the app can be used normally again. The app also includes features like strict mode and ultra strict mode for even stronger app control. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.